Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, this weekend is Mother's Day and I thank God and St. Anthony that my beautiful mother will be here for lunch this Sunday. And for a starter, I'm going to be preparing a tomato basil soup. Delicious. Now let's get started. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to begin by lining the roasting pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, chopped red onions, pounds of cored and seeded tomatoes, whole garlic cloves, 5 sprigs of fresh thyme, 2 additional tablespoons of olive oil. Just going to give this a really nice toss. In my preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes. They've roasted beautifully, and I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to remove the sprigs of thyme. They've done their job. Transfer the vegetables to a saucepan. Just stove to medium. We're going to add 4 cups of vegetable stock. This is my basil. I'm just going to cut up a few little leaves here. So fragrant. Tear them with your fingers and in my soup. Approximately half a teaspoon of chili pepper. Chili pepper, actually you can add as much as you like. Season with salt and pepper. We're going to allow it to simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, it has finished simmering. I turned off the stove. And now I'm going to put the immersion blender through. Just going to continue with the immersion blender until the soup becomes very thick and smooth. Beautiful. The final ingredient, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and our soup is done. My soup has cooled to room temperature, and now I'm filling my soup bowls. These are beautiful and they're heat proof because they're going to go in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will withstand the heat. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Parmigiano Reggiano on top of the soup. Look at that. Ooh. It's like sprinkles on a cupcake. I'm going to place 2 beautiful basil leaves on top of the soup. And now we're ready for the puff pastry. I have store-bought pastry and also an egg wash, which is just an egg yolk with a tablespoon of cream. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly, this is going to be the glue that's going to adhere the puff pastry. There we are. I'm just going to cut this into squares. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we are. Very simple. On top, press it down. That's it. My soups are ready in the refrigerator. They're going to go until tomorrow. Parents arrive, I will bake them off for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and they will be the taste testers. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I'm expecting my beautiful mother, the most beautiful woman in the world today. And I am going to egg wash the soups that I prepared yesterday. A very light egg wash, 1 egg yolk with a couple tablespoons of cream. In my preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes. When you see the puff pastry golden brown, you know it's ready. Mamma bella!
Bella della mamma.
Sei la più bella del mondo.
Questa qua.
This is the crust on top, and it's, wait. It is tomato soup with basil, and you cut on the top like this. See? And then we take this little out and put it here. Oh, look how nice and hot it is. And then you have the soup. Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I hope you enjoy this.
I will.
I know you. How is it, Ma?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Do you like the puff pastry?
Yeah.
You do? Taste it. È buono, Ma? Ok, focus, Ma. Ma, you know that God gave me one of his angels for me to call Mama, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bon appetit, Mama. Love you. Should we give Papa one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. This isn't George Clooney. This is my sweet Papa, and he's here to celebrate my beautiful mother for Mother's Day. Ma che pensi dello tomato basil soup that I made? Che pensi? Beautiful?
The first time I have
You
soup
have
like
something
this.
like this?
Yeah.
Delicious.
Very
Okay,
good.
say Happy Mother's Day to all my subscribers.
Happy Mother's Day to my wife.
To your wife. What about everybody else?
You too.
And me
Your mother
too.
too.
I know, and everybody else, right?
Yeah.
Love you, Papa.